Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a makeup technique that has truly stood the test of time, stippling. Specifically, we're going to explore how stippling your foundation with a sponge can completely transform your makeup game, making it look like a second skin, perfectly tailored to your unique face. Now, you might think stippling is just a modern trend that blew up with beauty gurus, but its roots go way back. Think about it, for centuries. Artists and performers have needed makeup that not only looks flawless, but also lasts under harsh lights and long hours. The core principle of stippling, gently tapping or pressing product onto the skin rather than swiping, it was born out of this need. Swiping can cause streaks and move the product around, but tapping builds coverage in thin, even layers. This method was a game changer in theatrical makeup long before it hit our vanities. It was the secret to creating a seamless, non-cakey complexion that looked real, even from the front row. So, how did this classic technique evolve for our everyday use? Enter the beauty sponge. While sponges have been around for a while, the modern, soft, teardrop-shaped sponge revolutionized application. When you dampen a sponge and use it to stipple, you're combining a historical technique with modern technology. The damp sponge absorbs a minimal amount of product, so you waste less foundation and it deposits a sheer, beautiful layer onto your skin. Let's break down why this works so well for different face types. Stippling is all about customization. If you have areas with more texture, like acne scars or large pores, swiping foundation can actually emphasize them. But when you stipple, you're gently pressing the foundation asterisk into asterisk the skin, filling in those textures for a much smoother finish. It's like airbrushing your face, but with a simple sponge. The light, bouncing motion doesn't drag or pull at your skin, which is also fantastic for those with sensitive or mature skin, as it minimizes irritation and settling into fine lines. The magic of stippling also lies in its ability to build coverage exactly where you need it. Let's say you have some redness on your cheeks, but the rest of your skin is fairly clear. Instead of applying a thick layer of foundation all over, you can stipple a light layer everywhere for a natural look, then go back and add more layers only on the red areas. This targeted approach is what makes your makeup fit your face, not just sit on top of it. You're enhancing your natural features without creating a heavy mask. Essentially, by adopting this stippling method, you're using a professional secret to control coverage, perfect texture, and achieve a truly customized finish. You're not just applying makeup, you're sculpting and perfecting your canvas in a way that's unique to you. It bridges the gap between heavy, old-school foundation and the modern desire for a fresh, skin-like glow. It's the best of both worlds. So next time you pick up your foundation and sponge, remember the history behind that gentle tapping motion. You're not just dabbing your face, you're using a time-honored artistic technique to create your own personal masterpiece. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this little history lesson helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.